I can't live without you, Jesus. I can't live without you, Lord. So here's my heart, here's my mind. Give you my soul, Lord. I need you to take control, 'cause I've tried it on. Tried it on my own, but what I found is I can make it, I can make it, I can make it all.